Hello and welcome to the AirNow.Gov tutorial. As promised, we're going to try a brief exercise to practice using some of these air quality monitoring tools. To see what the air quality is like in your area, please type in www.airnow.gov into your browser. The EPA uses this tool to look at two pollutants, particulate matter and ground level ozone. Click on Maps and Data at the top of the AirNow homepage. You will arrive at the interactive map of air quality. If you type in your zip code in the bar at the top right of the screen, the map will show you the air monitors in your area. Next, click Monitors on the left-hand side and select the first option, Ozone and Particulate Matter, from the drop-down selection. Now, looking at the map, the colored dots with the number in the middle represent air monitors. If you click on the air monitor closest to your area, a table will appear with data on particulate matter and ozone. Right above the table, there's a link named Plot Data. If you follow that link, you will be able to see the AQI from the last 23 hours. Right now, we will focus on the AQI. Under the Monitors menu, you can also isolate the monitors based on the pollutant it measures. Next, if you go to the menu along the top of the screen and select Loops, you can see the AQI for hour-to-hour data. If you would like to see past data, select Archive on the top of the menu next to Loops. If we set the archive date to July 25th, 2023, we will be able to see the AQI data from that time.
If we want to isolate particulate matter and ozone, click on Contours on the left menu and select which pollutant you would like to isolate. When we look at the data, we see two types of particulate matter, PM2.5 and PM10. The PM2.5 are the smaller particles, less than 2.5 microns diameter. These can penetrate down through the respiratory tree to the bottom of your lungs. PM10 are larger particles. They don't travel as far, but they can still enter your body and get stuck in your nose and throat. The biggest limitation for the air quality index is that it's only based on two pollutants. It is sometimes used incorrectly by some of the sites, because the AQI is really based on the short-term standard, which is typically 24 or 8 hours. If you would like to learn more about air monitoring, please watch part 2 of our air monitoring workshop. Thank you.